Okay, hey guys, welcome to Leighton Vans. As you can see, we've got 4 beautiful examples out the front of the shop today. This one is our short wheelbase Sport. This one's got the full LVRF pack. It is for sale. So jump online, leightonvans.com. You can have a look at this one. Another FEV here, another short wheelbase Sport in the same grey. This one, the customer's van, so we kept the decals on that one. We've removed the decals from our one. This one is not for sale, it's a customer's vehicle. He's picking it up very soon. Another FEV, they drive very well. Here we have the first example of the LBS, which is our front splitter down here. This is a stock front bumper with our LBS splitter attached to it. We actually painted that bumper because it was the bobbly black one. This one's got full LBS kit on it, the first of the transporters in Australia to have it. It's a 4Motion. It is also for sale, so you can jump online at Leighton Vans for that one. And then we come over to Black Beauty at the end. This is our trail, so a 4-wheel drive Transit Custom. This one has had all the trimmings done on it, so it's got the rear conversion, so all the carpeting, sound deadening, the rear seats, 3 individually removable. We've raised the floor, full LVRF pack, the beautiful yellow accents around the seat sections. Again, this one is also for sale. So jump online, leightonvans.com.au. Thanks guys.